Wildlife Wonders of Gujarat, a journey through nature. Welcome to the heart of Gujarat, a land of rich biodiversity and stunning landscapes. From the arid plains of the Rann of Kutch to the lush forests of the Eastern Ghats, this western state of India is a tapestry of diverse ecosystems, each teeming with life. Let's embark on a journey through its 4 national parks and 23 wildlife sanctuaries, each a sanctuary for a unique collection of creatures, great and small. Deep within Gujarat lies Gir Forest National Park, the last refuge of the majestic Asiatic lion. Once widespread across Asia, these magnificent creatures now exist only in this precious pocket of India. Smaller than their African cousins, with a distinctive fold of skin along their belly, the lions of Gir are the apex predators of this realm. But Gir is more than just lions. This park is a vibrant tapestry of life where leopards prowl and sloth bears amble. Thanks to dedicated protection, their numbers have slowly begun to rise, offering hope for the future of this endangered species. As the sun sets over the Gir forest, we are reminded of the vital role these protected areas play in preserving the incredible biodiversity of our planet. Our journey takes us now to the open grasslands of Velavada, home to Blackbuck National Park. This is the domain of the blackbuck, a graceful antelope known for its striking black and white markings and the impressive spiraled horns of the males. Velavada boasts one of the largest populations of blackbuck in India. The Indian wolf, smaller and leaner than its European cousin, roams these grasslands, its piercing gaze scanning the horizon for a meal. Nilgai, the largest of the Asian antelopes, share this habitat, their blue-grey coats blending seamlessly with the landscape. These powerful animals, often mistaken for horses by early explorers, are a testament to the resilience of life in this challenging environment. As we observe the interplay between predator and prey, we gain a deeper understanding of the intricate web of life that connects all creatures in this remarkable landscape. Leaving the grasslands behind, we venture to the shimmering waters of the Gulf of Kutch, home to the unique and fascinating Marine National Park. Here a hidden world awaits, a realm of coral reefs, mangrove forests and tidal mudflats, all teeming with life. As we dive beneath the surface, we enter a kaleidoscope of colors. Coral reefs, the rainforests of the sea, explode with life. Dolphins, sleek and playful, cut through the water, their whistles and clicks echoing through the depths. Above the surface, a chorus of bird calls fills the air. Flocks of pelicans, their enormous pouches ready to scoop up fish, soar effortlessly on the thermals. By protecting this precious habitat, we are safeguarding a vital part of our planet's biodiversity. Our journey takes us inland once more to the dense emerald embrace of Vansda National Park. Here, towering trees form a verdant canopy overhead, filtering the sunlight and casting long shadows across the forest floor. The elusive leopard is the phantom of these forests, its spotted coat providing perfect camouflage among the dappled light and shadow. Giant squirrels, their bodies longer than a house cat's, leap from branch to branch, their calls echoing through the trees. The air hums with the buzz of insects, their wings a symphony of sound. Vansda National Park is a reminder that even in the most densely populated parts of the world, pockets of wilderness still exist, offering refuge to countless species and a vital connection to the natural world. Prepare to be captivated by the spectacle of Nal Sarovar Bird Sanctuary, a sprawling wetland where the sky transforms into a breathtaking kaleidoscope of feathers and flight. As dawn breaks over the water, a symphony of sound erupts. Flamingos, their pink plumage a striking contrast to the blue water, gather in their thousands, their calls echoing across the lake. Pelicans, their enormous throat pouches capable of holding more than 3 gallons of water, glide effortlessly across the surface, their keen eyesight scanning for fish. Kingfishers, their iridescent blue feathers flashing in the sunlight, perch on branches overlooking the water, their sharp eyes searching for the telltale ripple of a fish below. Nal Sarovar is a reminder of the importance of wetlands, not just for the biodiversity they support, but also for the vital role they play in regulating water cycles and mitigating the impacts of climate change. Our journey takes us now to the surreal landscape of the Kutch Desert Wildlife Sanctuary, a land of stark beauty and surprising biodiversity. This is the last stronghold of the Indian wild ass, a creature perfectly adapted to survive in this challenging habitat. Larger than their domesticated relatives with distinctive black stripes on their legs and back, These wild equids roam the salt flats in herds, their braying calls echoing across the emptiness. As the monsoon rains arrive, transforming the salt flats into shallow wetlands, the landscape comes alive with a burst of color. Flocks of flamingos descend upon the newly formed lagoons, their pink plumage a stark contrast to the white salt. Cranes, their long legs and necks allowing them to wade through the shallows, also arrive to take advantage of the abundant food supply. The Kutch Desert Wildlife Sanctuary is a reminder that even in the harshest of environments, life finds a way. We venture to the Barda Wildlife Sanctuary, a haven of dry deciduous forests and scrubland, where the air hangs heavy with the scent of the earth. The leopard, master of stealth and camouflage, reigns supreme. Chinkaras, or Indian gazelles, are a common sight. These graceful antelopes are perfectly adapted to the dry conditions. The sanctuary is also home to a variety of bird life. The spotted owlet, with its large golden eyes, is a common resident. Barda Wildlife Sanctuary reminds us of the importance of protecting these pockets of wilderness. Our journey takes us deeper into the heart of Gujarat, to the Jasore Sloth Bear Sanctuary, a place where time seems to move at a different pace. The sloth bear, with its shaggy black coat, long claws, and perpetually grumpy expression, is a surprisingly agile climber despite its name. It spends its days foraging for insects, fruits, and honey, using its powerful claws to tear open termite mounds and its long snout to suck up ants and grubs. Leopards, those masters of stealth, also prowl these forests, their presence adding a frisson of excitement to our exploration. Wild boars, their snouts ploughing through the undergrowth in search of roots and tubers, are a common sight in Jasore. As we observe the sloth bears going about their daily routines, we gain a deeper appreciation for the diversity of life that thrives in these protected areas. Our exploration of Gujarat's wildlife sanctuaries takes us to Ratan Mahal Sloth Bear Sanctuary, a haven of hills, valleys, and dense forests. Ratan Mahal is a stronghold of the sloth bear, where they forage for food amidst the trees. The sanctuary is also home to diverse bird life, their calls echoing through the trees. Ratan Mahal Sloth Bear Sanctuary reminds us of the importance of preserving these wild spaces. Our journey takes us to the serene shores of Thol Lake Bird Sanctuary, a tranquil oasis in Gujarat. Amidst the reeds we find breathtaking avian diversity, a testament to migration's power. Flocks of flamingos, their pink plumage striking against the blue water, feed in the shallows, filtering algae and brine shrimp. Cranes wade through deeper water, searching for fish and aquatic creatures. The sanctuary is home to a variety of ducks, teals, and colorful waterfowl. Thol Lake Bird Sanctuary reminds us of the importance of protecting wetlands for bird survival and ecological balance. Our exploration of Gujarat's wildlife treasures takes us next to the diverse landscape of Hingolgad Nature Education Sanctuary, a place where the wild beauty of nature unfolds before our eyes. Chinkaras, those graceful gazelles of the Indian plains, are a common sight in Hingolgad. The blue bull, or nilgai, is another iconic inhabitant of this sanctuary. The largest of the Asian antelopes, the nilgai is easily recognizable by its blue-gray coat and the short spiked horns of the males. The sanctuary is also a haven for bird life, with a plethora of species calling this place home. Hingolgad Nature Education Sanctuary is a reminder that even in the midst of human activity, pockets of wilderness can still thrive, providing refuge for a diverse array of creatures and offering us a glimpse into the wonders of the natural world. Our journey culminates in the surreal landscape of the Little Rann of Kutch, a vast expanse of salt flats that transforms into a shimmering inland sea during the monsoon season. The Indian wild ass, with its distinctive black and white markings and impressive size, is perfectly adapted to this harsh environment. As the monsoon rains arrive, transforming the salt flats into shallow wetlands, the Little Rann of Kutch explodes with life. Flocks of flamingos descend upon the newly formed lagoons, their pink plumage a stark contrast to the white salt. Pelicans, their enormous throat pouches capable of holding an astonishing amount of water, glide effortlessly across the water's surface, their keen eyesight scanning for fish. The Little Rann of Kutch is a stark reminder that even in the most unexpected of places, life finds a way. Our journey through Gujarat's wildlife sanctuaries and national parks has revealed a land of remarkable biodiversity, a tapestry of life woven from arid deserts to lush forests, from shimmering wetlands to the depths of the Arabian Sea. We have witnessed the majesty of the Asiatic lion, the grace of the blackbuck, the vibrant spectacle of migratory birds, and the quiet resilience of creatures like the sloth bear and the Indian wild ass. Gujarat's wildlife and bird sanctuaries are vital in preserving the natural heritage and biodiversity of this vibrant state. Each park and sanctuary tells its unique story, inviting us to respect and protect these treasures. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Keep exploring, keep conserving. End credits. End.